Here is a question from GATE 2013 from fluid mechanics. In this question, it is given that for a steady, fully developed flow inside a state pipe of diameter d, neglecting the gravity effects, the pressure drop del P over a length L and wall shear stress tau W are related by these four options. Option A, tau W equal to del P d divided by 4L. Option B, tau W equal to del P d square divided by 4L square. Option C, tau W equal to del P d divided by 2L. Option D, tau W equal to 4 del P L divided by T. So let's solve this question. So first of all, for solving this question, let's draw a pipe. That is a pipe. Its diameter is given as d, and length of the pipe is L. Now fluid is flowing inside this pipe. So, and its shear stress is tau W. So shear stress will act all over the surface area of the pipe. The surface area of pipe is equal to pi d into L. So this is the surface area, and shear stress is equal to tau W. So shear force will be equal to surface area of the pipe, that means pi dl multiplied by shear stress tau W, and the force due to pressure drop equal to Fp, that will be equal to pressure drop multiplied by area. So area of the pipe is given by pi d square divided by 4. Now this is the shear force Fs. Now this shear force given in equation number 1, and pressure drop, force due to pressure drop it is given in equation number 2, will balance each other. If they balance each other, then we can write Fs equal to Fp. So from this equation we can find pi dl multiplied by tau W will be equal to del P into pi d square divided by 4. From this equation, this pi and this pi will cancel, and this d and the square of this d will cancel. So our required value for shear force, for shear stress tau W will be equal to del P into d divided by 4L. So this is our required value for shear stress, and which is equal to 4p d divided by del P d divided by 4L, which is equal to option A. So option A is the correct option.